Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a question from GFJ. Count linked list nodes. Given a single linked list, the task is to find the length of the linked list, where length is defined as the number of nodes in a linked list. Suppose you can see that there are 5 nodes, so we have to return 5 as our output. Okay, so how we are going to solve this? So suppose this is our head. Okay, this is our head. We should not move head, otherwise we will move the starting of the linked list. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to keep a variable count or c equal to 0 and another pointer as ptr to our head. Okay, so we will move and there is null or none in python. Okay, so we are going to move ptr until it reaches null. So we're going to write a condition while ptr is not none, ptr will move ptr equal to ptr dot next and c plus equal to 1. So is to by this algorithm is currently ptr at none? No. So we'll move ptr to here and increase our count to 1. Okay. And now is our ptr at none? No. So we move ptr and increase counter to 2. Okay. Now is ptr at none? No. Therefore we move ptr and increase count to 2. Is our ptr at none? So we move pointer and increase count to 4. Okay. Is our ptr at none? No. Therefore we move ptr and increase our count to 5. Suppose there was no linked list and head was pointing at none. Okay, so this is none and we will keep our ptr here. So according to the condition, we will move ptr only when it is none. So is our ptr at none? Yes, it is at none. So c remains as 0. I hope you understand the algorithm. We move ptr until it reaches none and increase the count of c one by one. Okay. So for the code part, we are going to keep a variable c equal to 0 and keep ptr pointer to our head. Okay, so the condition is while ptr is not none, we will move ptr equal to ptr dot next and increase our counter by 1. And when ptr reaches none, it will exit from the loop and we will return c from here. So let's compile this and let's submit now. Okay, so all the test cases have passed successfully.